What's up, everybody? I'm going to do a quick video here explaining how to do something on YouTube that if you don't know how to do, if you spend a lot of time on YouTube, well, it's going to really help you. It's going to really change the game. This is a little hack that can save you hundreds of hours when it comes to tracking down something that you heard in a video. Especially with longer form content, if you like this kind of stuff, like these longer form interviews with intellectuals or professors, theorists, whatever, if you're into that kind of thing, chances are you don't really realize what was of value until later, and you go back, you're like, oh, I really want to hear that part again. And when I say of value, I mean to you and your personal project, right? Because you listen to it the first time, there's all this interesting stuff going on. But then like you're working for the following couple of weeks, and then there's this one thing that you keep going back to, and you're like, wow, there's so much there. That's so interesting. I really want to dig deeper into that. What did that person actually say about that? I have like this foggy recollection. What did they really say? Well, you want to go track it down. I'm going to show you the way to do that really fast. So let's do it right now. Check it out. I have YouTube up. Now, for some reason, I tried to do this with Chrome and it wasn't working. So this is from Firefox. All right. So there's some buggy issue with my Chrome. Maybe it's your Chrome as well. So if you're using Google Chrome, I don't know if it'll work right now. It should work once they get it figured out. Could also be I just needed to clear my cache or something. I don't care. Point is, whenever you have some buggy issue on one browser, you should always just queue up the other browser. So if you're not using multiple browsers, now you know. You should be using Firefox as well. So with that said, go ahead, go to the video that you're interested in searching. Now let's just say that what you were interested in is because this video has this little dialogue on the front of it where Terence is saying, Professor Deleuze, concerning your epistemology, and Deleuze says, huh? Epistemology? I don't do work on epistemology, do I? You're interested in finding that part of the video. And so here's how you do it. So go down into the description, click to enlarge the description, go down, and then you'll see right here at the bottom, past all the credits and everything, is transcript, show transcript. Go ahead and click show transcript. Boom. It loads up in the right hand side. Now, any one of these parts of the transcript that you click on, it will automatically take you to that part of the video. So it says 535 English, but, okay, well, you click on that.
English, but,
all right. Well, so now push on your keyboard Control F. All right. Push Control F. And wait, what was it? Control F. Oh, okay. Sorry. It is popping up for me down here on the bottom left-hand side. On Chrome, it pops up on the top right-hand side. But if you push Control F, it'll pop up this search dialog here down at the bottom. I already typed out epistemology. Click enter. Oh, took me to the first instance of the word epistemology. Right? And this is actually the part where Terence says something about Deleuze's epistemology, and Deleuze looks wildly around, and he says, here, I'll play it.
And I said on epistemology, and he looked, was very theatrical, looked very surprised. Epistemology? I don't do anything on epistemology. Do I? I don't do epistemology. And his acolyte said, no, Gilles, you don't do that. And for me, all this stuff on the...
All right, now you know how to find anything using the transcript function in a YouTube video. When the YouTube video just comes out, it might need some time to process. But if the creator uploaded it before it was published, as long as it's had a couple of days, the transcript should be there. If it's not there yet, give it a couple hours. It should work out. Like even for a live stream, just give it a few hours, and then the transcript should be there afterwards. And then you can just word search it to find whatever little clip is relevant to what you're doing. And then I'm going to throw in a bonus here and just say, let's just say that I'm interested in timestamping that part there. Well, then I would go back up to where it first occurs, which is 4842.
Epistemology in French.
So, and then I would go down here to the comments and I would timestamp it. So, what is it? It's 4842. Let's go ahead and say 4840. And then I'll just type, when Deleuze said he doesn't do epistemology because of, and then I'll put in parentheses, because of confusion about the way this word is used in French. Okay, well, there you go. And now, when other people click that, it'll take them right to that part of the video. And now you know how to do a Control F search for a specific word that occurred in the transcript. And you also know how to timestamp it. I hope that you find that helpful. And yeah, this is a shout out to Mandy, ultimately. If it wasn't for you, Mandy, I don't think I would have made this. And so if anybody ever has like a question about how to do something, do let me know. And I might make you a short tutorial about it if I know how to do it myself. All right, peace.
We cannot do direct revolution, but the only way to lay the foundation for it is to do what you are doing to move the underground. It's a theoretically correct title.
Welcome to Theory Underground, a place for workers with earbuds who are tired of the bullshit and just want to get down to it. Big ideas, rigorous thinking, and ultimately liberation from necessity.
Research at Theory Underground focuses on what is most important for understanding our current situation. Theory of the subject, capital, time-energy theory, critical media theory, CMT, and the most essential critiques necessary for understanding why the theory, ideology, and common sense of influencers left to right misses the mark.
Theory Underground is coming to a city near you. Besides a commitment to publishing certain underground theorists and popularizing certain fundamental concepts, we have toured the United States and are touring Europe to promote our ideas, courses, and publications. You've been reading Underground Theory.
Amazing book. I'm a publisher and an editor. I run and review books. Literally, it's my living. This is the best edited collection I've ever read.
Okay, picture this scene. America, early 2021. An Amazon warehouse worker arises from the emerging underground theory internet scene to create spaces for untimely topics and concerns that are too often neglected or kept in isolation today. Joined by a revolving cast of underground theorists, academics, and critics, he establishes what will become Theory Underground, a teaching, research, and publishing platform by and for working-class intellectuals, autodidacts, and academics who want to do more than they're able to do within the confines of academia. That warehouse worker's name is David McKerracher, and his book Timenergy is his first major contribution to the world of theory. It was recently reprinted with a foreword by none other than Slavoj Žižek, who also contributed to Theory Underground's latest book.
My Bible, it's an excellent book.
A collection of essays called Underground Theory.
What you just heard is an excerpt from the Strange Exiles podcast, episode 23, where Bram from Strange Exiles interviewed me and Mikey. For those who don't know, Mikey is the author of the Dangerous Maybe blog. We are publishing one of his books here shortly at Theory Underground. He's also a lecturer at Theory Underground, and he's someone I've been friends and a collaborator with for over 10 years. But most importantly for you all, he's a fantastic lecturer, and it's a crime that he has to do wage labor right now. One of the long-term goals of Theory Underground has been now for a couple of years to hashtag free Mikey. That is something that I've been really pushing, but first, obviously, I have to get freed myself, so the two of us are able to do this because, you know, as Mikey said, build it and they will come. Well, I tried, and I built a website and platform. I had my own app and everything, but it's been really buggy, and it's more than one person can handle, and that's, you know what, a really good lesson for me. And so for now, what we're doing is moving it to a temporary intermediary platform until we are able to get some more serious funding. And ultimately, we want to be in a place like this, a real brick and mortar digital nomadic mecca where people can come from all over the world. But also, the app was really expensive, and so by quitting it, I am now able to save a lot of money, and with the help of my patrons and the students at Theory Underground, especially the monthly subscribers, I am officially able to quit Amazon and do Theory Underground full time. So thank you so much, everybody. This is one huge step forward. My way of giving back to everybody is by promoting everyone who is at a current tier to the benefits of the tier above them as far as subscribers go, and also rolling out a new lower tier. And so check out the tier subscription setup. And if you're not interested in taking the courses or what's being offered for subscribers and you want to support anyway, check out the Patreon. Finally, just stay tuned for more information on the tour in Europe during the month of May 2024 and the conference in Mexico during the last weekend of October 2024. If you want to be there, hit me up ASAP. Let's get talking because it's happening very soon. All right, bye-bye. Special shout out to Nikolai, Sahil, and Zatsandra, as well as all of my other amazing patrons over at patreon.com.